So that you made it already to the end of this course, I would say that you're equipped enough and prepared enough to go on the highway. So at this moment I would like to thank you very much and congratulate you to making it to the finish line. What we've learned together through this course is the T-Flows framework, or the main structure of the code. We familiarized ourselves with how the code works and implemented. Also, we went through some command line interface essentials, and those are more than enough for you to run the code and even modifying the source code and recompile it and run your own test cases. We also learned how to compile the code in both serial and parallel modes, but also we visualized together the results in ParaView for those of you who may not have used it before. And it's a very powerful tool for post-processing your results. Also, we saw how to extract images or screenshots. We also saw together how to extract your data from ParaView, and also how to save screenshots or animation frames that you can convert later into your terminal into a GIF or a video. We've seen the single domain simulations from a laminar to turbulent flow ranges. We learned together also about multiple domain simulations, and we saw how to run them. Now you can also run your chemical reaction simulations, or a simulation of transport of species for some application or a specific study. So you also have this in your skill set. And finally, we learned about particulate flows, and we took an example of that, a turbulent channel flow or a periodic channel flow. And we saw together how to advect particles on top of the carrier flow field as a second phase. And I guess that's a good start already to scratch the surface of T-flows and discover what lies beneath all of these, and discover for yourself what lies beneath the code, and also gives you the courage and confidence to go your own way and implement maybe new models or run new simulations that were not mentioned in this course. And you can come up to me always with questions. I'm more than happy to answer all of your questions and requests. What I would like just to say last is, please don't be afraid. You will always run into hurdles at the beginning, some maybe syntax errors if you wrote something by mistake or recompiled the code in a different way than it should be. So you always see all of these types of errors. Mostly I would say that would be user errors, but they're wonderful type of errors. It's because you will learn from these, and step by step you build the experience with the code, and the more you have of them at the beginning, the more comfortable you are with the code later on. And I would like to say thank you so much once again, and see you in the next challenge. Bye.